So this is our B bike, brand new 2021 YCF SM F150, and pretty much from the get-go, what I noticed was we had an oil leak coming right out of this bolt right here. It's about a drip every 5 to 6 seconds when the bike was running. Nothing when the bike was off, though. So, and that seemed very curious. Doesn't look like there are any oil passages back there, and so you can see on the A bike, I don't think there is supposed to be any oil coming through there. However, when we take this bolt out, you know, this is just a case bolt. There shouldn't really be anything live in there, and there's definitely no seal on it. But when we get on in there, you can see that is just lots of oil in there, just full of it. So something is leaking oil, pressurized or otherwise, into the case bolt. Now this is engine off, engine cold. Basically, you know, we get a few drips here and there. You can see it running down the side of the case. When I turn it on, we will see something, unfortunately, quite different. See that? Just puking right out, constantly. Yeah. That's just running out of there, kind of like it's under pressure. What a mess. So you can see here on what I'm calling the A bike, absolutely no drips, totally dry. And when we go ahead and take this bolt out, not much torque required, you can see absolutely dry. Nothing on there. And nothing in there either. No drips, no leaks, nothing.